got the motor running. We are here busy with that one. So after lunch we're gonna check this. It turns but then it locks, so we're gonna check that one. But there on top is also something. I just wanna get here. Patrick and I is busy here with this thing. But the motor is running, so now it's just to get this thing up and going and like pressing. Where's my finger? Pressing up and down. Alright.